Welcome all. Now we will see some numericals which were asked in prestigious exams like GATE, Engineering Services. So first one, what is value of RAB? So we have to determine the resistance between point A and B. As you can see, this is a bridge circuit, and this bridge is a balanced bridge because the opposite branch 20 and 15, if we take the product, so 20 into 15 is 300, and opposite branch, that means 10 and 30, 10 into 30 is also 300. So this product is 300 and this product is also 300. 20 into 15 is 300 and 10 into 30 is also 300. That means this is nothing but the balanced bridge. So whenever the bridge is balanced, this 50 ohm you can treat as zero resistance, that means it is a short circuit, or you can treat this branch as open circuit, that means here and here we have open circuit, there is no 50 ohm resistance, so this resistance has no effect. Whenever the bridge is balanced, this resistance loses its significance. Okay, now suppose I consider that this is open circuit, that means there is no wire, like this there is no wire. So this 10 ohm and 20 ohm will come in series, 10 ohm and 20 ohm will come in series. So 10 plus 20 means 30 ohm. They are exclusively sharing the node. And this 30 and 15 are also in series. So that is series addition is 45 ohm. Okay. Now this 30 ohm, 10 plus 20 is 30, and this 45 ohm, 30 plus 15, 45. These two are in parallel because they are sharing two same node. This 30 ohm is sharing this node, and this 45 ohm is also sharing this node, and this 30 ohm is sharing this node, and 45 ohm is also sharing this node. That's why these two 30 ohm and 45 ohm are in parallel. 30 ohm and 45 ohm are in parallel. Now you can solve it as these are in parallel. So how you will solve? 30 into 45. So RAB equal to 30 into 45 divided by 30 plus 45. If you solve it, what is the answer? So 30 into 45 divided by 30 plus 45 is 75. So just can anyone tell me the answer? Okay, so 15 into 3 is 45 and 15 into 5 is 75. So this will be 5 and this will be 3. Then again this will get cancelled. 5 into 1 and 30 into 5 into 6. So here it will be 6. So overall 6 into 3, correct answer is 18 ohm. So RAB is 18 ohm is the answer. 18 ohm is the answer. 18 ohm is the answer. Okay. Next numerical. So once again I will repeat this question. So as you can see, this is the bridge. This and opposite branch resistance product is same as opposite branch resistance product. So it is a balanced bridge. So in that case, you can treat this as either short circuit or open circuit. I have considered open circuit. When it is open circuit, then this 20 and 10 are in series, and this 30 and 15 are in series. So 30 ohm and 45 ohm, and these 30 ohm and 45 ohm are in parallel. If I solve the parallel combination of two resistors, I will get the answer as 18 ohm. Okay. Now next one. The equivalent resistance between terminal X and Y of the network shown in the figure is. So we have to determine the resistance between X and Y. Or you may think that one multimeter is connected between X and Y and we are measuring resistance on multimeter. And this is the network. If you do more careful observation, this is also the bridge type of circuit. Suppose this is node X, this is node X, Then from node X, one resistance 5 ohm is going, this 5 ohm is going like this. Okay, then from node X, this 10 ohm, okay, this 10 ohm, and in between 5 ohm and 10 ohm we have one R resistance, so this is 5 ohm, this one is 10 ohm, this one is R, this one is R. After that this, from this point I have one 15 ohm resistor, okay, it is connected to Y, and this 30 ohm resistance, from this 10 ohm and R I have one 30 ohm resistor. Okay, so this is also the bridge. Now we will check whether the bridge is balanced or not. So opposite branch resistance 5 into 30 150, and 15 into 10 again 150. That means the bridge is balanced. That means this resistance has no effect. You can treat this as short circuit. If you treat this as short circuit, then these two are in parallel. Solve the parallel combination. These two are in parallel, 15 and 30 are in parallel. Solve the parallel combination. After that, this parallel combination is in series with this parallel combination. You will get the answer, or you may treat this as open circuit. That means there is no resistance. This is treated as open circuit. So when you are treating this as open circuit, these 5 and 15 are in series. That means 20 ohm, 5 plus 15 is 20 ohm, 5 plus 15 is 20 ohm, is in series with 10 plus 30 ohm. That means, and this 10 and 30 are also in series, so 10 and 30 series means 40 ohm. So this 20 ohm is in parallel with 40 ohm. So you have to solve this parallel combination and get the answer. You will get the resistance between X and Y. So 20 parallel with 40, so 20 into 40 divided by 20 plus 40. So 20 into 40 means 800, divided by 20 plus 40 is 60. 20 plus 40 is 60. So I think answer is 40 by 3. 40 by 3 is 13.33 ohm is the answer. Okay. So once again I will repeat. So one network is provided. This is also the bridge circuit. Opposite branch resistances are same. Product of opposite branch resistance 5 into 30 is 150, 10 into 15 is 150. That means the bridge is balanced bridge. So whenever the bridge is balanced, this resistance has no effect. Either you can treat this as short circuit or you can treat this as open circuit, and then solve the series parallel combination, you will get the answer. Now suppose when the bridge is not balanced, what you have to do? You have to treat this as the star network, convert it into delta network, and you have to solve by using star delta conversion formula. And then after solving this star delta conversion formula, some of the resistance will come in series with this 10 ohm and with this 30 ohm, and circuit becomes simplified. Okay, so what is the concept? So whenever you see the bridge, you should check whether the bridge is balanced or not. If bridge is balanced, this resistance has no effect, and if bridge is unbalanced, that means this product, opposite branch product is not same, then in that case you have to solve, you have to convert star network into delta network and get the series parallel combination. Okay, thank you.